Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing lower on Wednesday, pressured by shares in semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, consumer services, and software and services sectors. On the economic docket, MBA mortgage applications decreasing by nearly 5% in the week ended June 22nd. Wholesale inventories increasing by 0.5% in a preliminary estimate, durable goods decreasing by 0.6% in a preliminary read in May, and pending home sales falling by 0.5%. Decliners ahead of advancers, 79% of S&P 500 constituents trading lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Facebook's penalty on Oculus copyright dispute was cut in half to $250 million by the U.S. District Judge Kincaid in Dallas. Also, Madison Square Garden, MSG, reporting that it has approved a plan to explore a possible spin-off which would create a separately traded publicly company comprised of its sports businesses, including the New York Knicks and the New York Rangers professional sports franchises. And T-Mobile upgraded to outperform from market perform at Wells Fargo. Now moving overseas, the Asian markets mostly in the red today. The Nikkei down 0.01%, the Hang Seng up 0.5%. China CSI 300 down 1.03%, and South Korea's Kospi down 1.19%. European markets lower, and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. In terms of expectations today, Nike fourth quarter EPS seen at 64 cents, and Walgreens Boot Alliance third quarter EPS seen at $1.48. While on the economic docket, everything's at 8:30 in the morning. Initial and continuing jobless claims figures are due for release. We also have the first quarter GDP annualized quarter-over-quarter read at the same time. Also in the markets, the S&P 500 sees its key resistance at 27.25. The Nasdaq sees its key resistance at 70.90, and the Dow Jones, that's under pressure and in focus this morning as the relative strength index lacks upward momentum. Now short positions below 24,360 are favored, with targets at 24,000 and 23,900 in extension.